only in NDC, Mr. Mahama Penso, and on the year, to major contract sign, Eko Yiska, Gandhi Sika, Eddie. I don't know, Manchester Major and nepotism down. I reckon nepotism, Mantibida. Those times, you will not hear all these boys on the radio and on TV talking trash, but yet we sat down for the president's wife to give contracts, to buy contracts, and these are facts. Special prosecutor, no, channel. A dinner, a dear branding in the document, go on your way, you move. Money may say, or better between the near CMP before I can say, well, yeah, on Tobia, whoever needs to be probed, he needs to probe them. And yes, I am your support. Yes, you're best fire the heavy. You sit down and tell me, say,
can you answer what you go? And Brabban soon a chance of free pack as well. And you answer refugee go. No, I time some way at the Aqua the Supreme Court. Say, young Kabimau. Now, former presidents also air trouble bastardize Supreme Court to say, the Omoyeno, Tranchia. Former president, oh, Kasaya Chim. Say, Chimusa de air can answer one piece no Mukupan, or me a tibon cost to Omukoyen. You see, I do baby. And Ram do baby and the Fian sound. In the MPP, MPs no the Fian sound and a BT mo. If Fian sound at the Biacasa and these MPs Munko Pebino, and no the BT mono. Because the Munya Fian sound or Parliament wa Munko Contoka. So Munya Fian sound. Kwa yese gidi mi kwa buo bi obi tie kunyam ne nka de be bono akoto twede wonni fie nyansa de a da bia de ka woni na da bia so nyansa win eno na aka mo amode kwaje 70 e wo court. Okay, mum yan the ruling na e bai we say in exercising our discretion on whether to grant or refuse this application, we have considered one, this is the Supreme Court ruling, we have considered one, the nature of the relief sought, that is, declaration that an act of parliament is null and void. Okay, Supreme Court say, yeah, no more said the the greater inconvenience or irreparable harm or loss which the parties will suffer, including the likely issues in refunding numerous tax deductions, should be reinforced. Okay, the nature of the legislation which is under attack, including the fact that the act under review is just any legislation, it is a tax on the issuer. And the Supreme Court, so better say, Ashia say, Sebi, and someone Modia Ban. The only can say, Parliament proceedings near course, Supreme Court bet me the Constitution of Ghana. And we are one. And we are almost catch there said, the entity almost in Germany said, as some omu be never be court, and to omodi court on it dear. A bit my say about umbedi omudibima, or my yati or munina yati or musica. And the abaya no soon to mean and refund them my woman, and Tisadia levy, yenkem. The atosum now face we are quite say. Oma omojiji 11 no enso omona momra kwan so ana. Okay, mummy enko yenu. The atoso me na me kan. The atoso now say whether public interest and welfare of Ghanaian people is better protected by grant or refusal of the injunction sought. Being a public law application, we have also considered the legal maxim omnia presumptua right excepta way a Latin word, and its application to the official act such as an act of parliament. This is legal presumption which is gained statutory recognition under section 37/1 of the Evidence Act 1975. Okay, there said etieni and he said emrebi wo honoma ye jitum falasa. Jesse or evidence contrary to the ejitum. See, I can say minister or so for her panswa. Yen na ye emrano my kwan say ejitum say or the sikano ye pino pepe on amra kwan so. Jesse what a dance ye say on farm ra kwan so now bet me dia dance ya bechere no. Wo de ba ena wutimi be reverse no eno ene de medi kan e kan sisi a so enti se wo de asem se court na yes ma adwen ye me se misusu se wo court dia na se bi wan fanya asasem an court enti the 7-0 na omukwaje court na afi no ombese omo yes court no ewia wo mo no kwase bi jimifuo bi ni aboa bi awo ye frɛ no Kofi Ezeku jimi papa waba ha wan NDC fo jimifuo ni bi omo jimi tu aboa me ti mi page so no minya free ha wo betra ha no ma wutie nyansa won se ho hyehye aboa ba momi enkoso ka se ye bejeja mo na mo de mo ba ye so NDC fo de jimi na mo didi atema na wa beka na ye jeja afi we ye nya ni sa wo de ba ye betwa ma wo kwaso ya se to ato ba bi bone adofo mo fa nchem ne enko na moa no ebi ba sa na ya na se etima wo mo no mo ko okay mo ma nhwe ruling na thank you Deborah. Mummy ruling about or say Supreme Court say in this the official acts by organs of the state and government department are presumed to be regularly performed unless there's strong evidence in rebuttal. And the says here say a minister but no good afternoon your minister or my money na presume say sika bi e be fa won bia wo de ye ministerial job just say me ka say won fa nye dia just say me kita dance e de eko etiaw e wo court of law competent court of law and sana ye nyina ye betimi agi atum say ampa wan fa nye adwuma. Okay, in balancing the hardships in the event of the applicants succeeding in their claim to declare electronic transfer levy unconstitutional and therefore null and void, the sum deducted on transaction could be refunded as aforesaid. And now, only say, yenkum, kopim say, as some of the aqua die court, no. Yebeka sa asem na wie, ni yeka sa asem ni wie na se ekoba se omudi bem dia na eche se oma ya che omusika nyina no. Ense ye dia oma de mo. And the Supreme Court say ampa de mo kanu de wom na emom nyansa mu no ye ti omo a aban no sa de omusika asa mo omo no ebetumi aye na emom efiri na ekoya akopum se ebedi sa mo asem na wie no si ewie a ye ntumi nkasa wo na e wo se ye tew ne antew nti ye beka ni nyina bom ye de atew enti no asama mo de bae no ye tena so ehwe ni ya ye ntimi nyintum because de mo ka no ye gitum a ebe ha Ghana fo a chen sede mo ka no aban say data wo ho mate usika enye mra kwan so no mate wa metimi du usika ma wo so say da bi aban ente no jano mane nko ne mo ye di asem ni wie ni ehwe na esenke etena ebi anka ese every day bia na yete no 5 Ghana na sa asem yi be take ye 4 months that ye Ghana ya asem ti ebi kura timi ko 8 months can multiply 5 times 30 times 8 na chese nipa ba ko ohia ni no be ya ma afege ye ba be je no ho no e bia be 1005 Ghana cedis. This is the NDC thinking. NDC omo thinking omo me so omo dwin bonkum